What happens when someone joins at a higher level than you? Great question. This is typically called a roll-up or pass-up. All commissions that an affiliate is not qualified for will roll up to the admin, not the next sponsor. Why? And how does this make you more money? Because any roll-up commission will be counted toward your level qualification, allowing you to sell one product and be qualified for that sold product level. For example, join the $50 level, then sell a $3,500 level, and the difference of $3,450 to admin will actually qualify you for the gold $3,500 level. Now you can make $3,500, $1,500, $500, or even $50, and you only got in at the $50 level and sold a $3,500 level. And you make 100% commissions at whatever level you're qualified for. So rather than roll up going to your sponsor and not benefiting you, the roll up actually gets put towards your high ticket business qualification, allowing you to move up the levels faster and from only one sale. Important, we upgrade you automatically, but when we see the payment proof sent by the customer, please call admin at 520-483-3741 after a roll-up to speed up your qualification. The faster you can get all in, the sooner you're making all the money. And you want to make all the money, right? Not just 10% or 15% or 20% or wait for spillover that never happens. Instead, you can make all direct pay commissions paid immediately to whatever payment processor you want. And why should you listen to me? I'm about to show you right now. So in the last video, I showed Google results first. So I'm going to show YouTube results first, okay? And you can see I am in incognito mode. So this is all legitimate, okay? I'm going to scroll this, search for this term. And I'm going to show you on number 1 and number 2 on YouTube. Okay, number 1 and number 2 on YouTube. And then number 3 on YouTube. Okay, and number 4 on YouTube. This is an ad. It does not count, okay? And then there's another one, okay, and another one, and another one, and yet even another one bites the dust, right? Okay, so all these videos are me, and here's my channel, and another video, all on YouTube, okay, for the high ticket lifestyle pay plan 100% commissions, okay? Some of these videos haven't even premiered yet, and I'll show you the Google results in a bit, okay? That's why you should listen to me, because this will show you, this is the type of training, elite training, because we're not scared to show you what actually works for you and your business. And how are we getting these results? Well, the main thing is blogging, which we teach you to do in the $50 level. Okay, we teach you how to blog and actually how to buy leads that are already pre-qualified. They're already want to have answered questions about wanting to start a business and being willing to spend at least $100. Okay, so it's obviously pre-qualified. Okay. So again, and then we do the hard work for you. And what I mean by that, I mean the DFY call center. 100% automated commissions. Let your sponsor relax. Leverage our 100% free call center so you can start earning big. We make it easy for you. Questions, call 1-800-771-0769 and never pick up the phone. Yes, we handle all the customer support and questions for you, so you can relax and wake up to $5,000 door commissions over and over. The whole goal of the high ticket lifestyle is to get paid on complete autopilot, creating your financial freedom while we do all the hard work, the selling, the telling, the coaching, and the duplication for you. If you have questions, please call support and let your sponsor relax. Imagine our team codes a massive big ticket commissions for you. How awesome is that? And I mentioned blogging, right? So this is my blog, and there's my picture for this video, right? And this actually does all the hard work for you. It actually tells you what this blogging platform, what's wrong with your article. Okay, I clicked on the wrong link. Okay, so rank math and edit snippet. It actually tells you what to do, right? See how these are a green check mark or a red check mark? Okay, it actually tells you what's wrong with your theme, so you can fix these and raise your score more and more. Okay. And what's cool about this program is it ranks your blogs much quicker. Instead of waiting months, years, decades, or never ranking on Google, these can sometimes rank the same day or within days, okay? And I'll show you proof in my when I check my Google results. Okay, so the high ticket lifestyle 2026. Four brutal profit secrets. That's my article. Okay, this is part 2. Structural advantage is what separates amateurs from operators. Most affiliate programs hand you an affiliate link and wish you luck in a crowded marketplace, leaving you to figure out copywriting, funnel design, and tracking on your own. The high-ticket life ecosystem provides a centralized gateway architecture that ensures tracking, lead capture, urgency timers, and system filtering fire flawlessly every single time. You don't need a degree in web development or a massive technical team to compete at the highest level. The infrastructure is already built, tested, and optimized for maximum conversion. You simply plug into the pre-existing machine and direct high-ticket traffic towards a proven battle-tested system that does the heavy lifting for you. And they call you the number, they can talk to the system admin. They leave a short 3-minute message. They listen to a short 3-minute message, leave a voicemail with their contact information, and then the owner calls them back, right? High Ticket Lifestyle Review 2026 Brutal Profit Secret 1. The first brutal profit secret is that low-ticket products require the same amount of marketing effort as the high-ticket assets while paying a fraction of the reward. And I'll show you the math on this, right? This is $3,500 sale, okay? There's even possible $5,000 sales, okay? But you need 175 $20 sales to make one $3,500 sale. And you can do as much work or less work for that $3,500 as you do for that 20. But you got to duplicate this 175 successfully 175 times. Okay? That is why high ticket is amazing, okay? And we're giving you 100% of the pie, okay? 100% over and over again from a one-time fee. Okay? Think about the psychological toll of convincing someone to spend $20 versus $5,000. In both cases, you have to build trust, interrupt a pattern, and present a compelling case. Yet one path leads to exhaustion and empty pockets, while the other leads to a life-changing capital injection spanning $50,000 to $5,000. When you embrace high-ticket positioning, your entire mindset shifts. You stop looking for volume, start looking for quality. You attract serious buyers who value speed, efficiency, and elite solutions rather than bargain hunters who demand constant hand-holding for minimal return. Okay, High Ticket Lifestyle Review 2026 Brutal Profit Secret 2. The second brutal profit secret involves eliminate the personal call burden through third-party authority asset delegation. When you refuse to run private phone calls or answer custom technical questions, you shift the burden proof off your shoulders and onto automated institutional infrastructure. Like I told you right here, they call this number, they get their questions answered, right? Amateurs think they need to be a hero who closes every deal on the phone. Professionals know that being the closer destroys your personal authority and crushes your daily time freedom. By utilizing the automated 100 system line of professional call center teams, you let third-party experts handle the tallying, selling, and objection handling. This preserves your status as an elite authority, while the system converts your prospects cleanly and professionally. High Ticket Lifestyle Review 2026 Brutal Profit Secret 3. The third brutal profit secret centers around the power of structural positioning and a production-based upgrade model. In traditional programs, you're permanently locked out of higher earnings unless you pay thousands out of pocket up front. Here you can enter a $50 price level, use the admin roll-up upgrade mechanic to earn your way straight to the top. When you generate a higher tier sale, your baseline commission is secured. The surplus price difference rolls up to the admin, and you are automatically and permanently upgraded to that tier after just one sale at that level. A single diamond strike instantly elevates you from $50 to $5,000 lifetime position, proving that your output buys your sovereignty. High Ticket Lifestyle Review 2026 Brutal Profit Secret 4. The fourth brutal profit secret is the necessity of owned digital real estate over rented social media traffic platforms that can shadow ban your business overnight. Relying solely on social media algorithms for your livelihood is like building a mansion on quicksand. One policy update or algorithm shift can wipe out your entire revenue stream in 24 hours. True operators build their foundation on owned digital real estate, combining centralized capture system with integrated search engine optimization blocks. When you own your content and rank for higher intent search queries, this right here, SEO, and we do all the hard work for you, right? We tell you exactly what to do, okay? You hit this button, you hit the rank math, okay? Wait. and it will tell you what's red, okay? It will tell you what you need to do to fix these, okay? You build an enduring, resilient asset that compounds over time and remains completely immune to social media platform whims. Okay, and I wanted to show you the Google results, okay, not just the YouTube results. So, I showed you already I'm number 1 and 2 on Google, right? Oh, I didn't. Okay, I showed you I had several results on the YouTube, right? So on Google, I am number 1 and number 2, okay, on Google. Okay, much harder to rank for and much more powerful. But how am I doing this? I'm blogging, okay, and I'm recording the blogs from on my YouTube channel too, okay, and putting them on other social media platforms, okay. In 2026 and beyond, search engines, AI are very smart. They're not only reading what you type, they're listening to what you say too. So I want to take one thing and make it to multiple assets, okay? Backlinks, okay? Very important. SEO, very important. We help you by blogging, okay? We teach you how to blog. We teach you how to start for $50 and make up to $5,000, which is life-changing. You don't see that in any other program, okay? No other programs allow you to do that. And certainly not so easy. Now you can actually take a one-time $5,000 sale that you generated, somebody joined, and you joined the 50, you bring somebody that joins the 5,000, gets closed on autopilot, and now you're qualified for all the levels, 100% of all the money, okay? Again, that's an extreme scenario. It's not typical, but it is possible, okay? So I recommend you don't be typical and you get your ass into this program and start at whatever level you get in where you fit it, okay? Okay, and this is brand new, 100% commission free. How can I show you how to start making 50, 500, 1500, 3500, and even 5,000 using this one simple page? It's my capture page. There's my face. Enter your name here. Enter your best email and your phone number for free bonus. Okay. And what's the bonus? Okay, it is the 48-hour upgrade bonus, only for serious action takers who want to make big money now. And you can't possibly miss this upgrade. Guess button, right? Get upgraded to the next qualified level and earn 100 to 233% commissions. Yes, when you decide to take action before the timer runs out, you will be rewarded with the next level of qualification. Join at the $50 level, get no upgrade. Join at the $500 level, get no upgrade. Join at the $1,500 level, get qualified at the $3,500 level. Join at the $3,500 level, get qualified at the $5,000 level. This is how to miss as little or no money as possible, okay? This right here. But getting where you fit in, if you join at the $50 level and you get a diamond level $5,000 commission, okay, referred by you, you are instantly qualified via roll-ups and your production to all the money here. The 5,000, the 3,500, the 1,500, the 550, okay? You just pass up the 49.50, okay, to your sponsor automatically, and you're in. You're in making all the money. How amazing is that? How life-changing can that be? Okay. Or you can wait for spillover that you've been waiting weeks, days, months, years to get, and you may not have gotten a single spillover. And guess what? A lot of times these uplines that you're trusting so much, they're promoting the next big thing in a month or two, okay? And they completely abandon talking about the other thing, and you were just paying all this money for nothing, right? And then hoping that lightning doesn't strike in the same place, okay? If a crocodile, okay, that it's like the bunny who's, I think, with the one animal who traveled over, I think, with the alligator or the crocodile, right? They're counting on the fact that they wouldn't bite them, okay? But that's their nature, okay? If you've been burned once, you're probably going to get burned again, okay? And this is my high ticket lifestyle review 2026 4 brutal profit secrets. And I think I showed you the Eat Google, but if I haven't, I will show you the results right here. Number 1 and number 2. This is my blog and this is my YouTube video. So results are amazing, and they can be the same for you. This is JJ Solley, aka John Solley, aka your friendly neighborhood Solley man.